Hi, welcome. We're at Hanging Rock and I'm with Megan from the Macedon Ranges Wildlife Network. Welcome, thank you for coming down today. Can you tell me a little bit more about the network and what it does and its history?
Sure. So the Macedon Ranges Wildlife Network is a group of around 100 people who are all volunteers.
Yep.
They consist of wildlife rescuers who are first responders
Mm.
and shelters and foster carers.
Wow, brilliant. And all volunteers.
100% volunteers.
And so Macedon Ranges has the highest rate of road strike in Victoria. What other challenges are you facing at the moment?
That's the biggest challenge, Kate, with the increased development, the increased roads and traffic.
Yep.
Every year there's an increased number of the amount of road strike that's happening. It affects not just the animals, but obviously the people as well. It's very traumatic for people that strike an animal, and it can have an emotional and a physical impact.
So it's a road safety issue.
It's a road safety issue
Yeah.
for people and animals.
And how can local government and state government help?
You can help by collaborating with this project with us
Yep.
to implement evidence-based road safety initiatives to help protect animals and people.
Yep. Amazing. And what are some of in this advocacy prospectus, the specific projects included in our ask?
So first of all is getting a good data set
Yep.
so that we can use that evidence to identify the hotspots where animals are crossing and getting hit, where the wildlife corridors are, and then using that to implement dynamic signage, speed reduction in some of those hotspot areas, particularly at the times when wildlife are moving.
Yep.
And that's usually between dusk and dawn.
Yep.
And some good education programs as well.
Yeah, fantastic. And how can the community get involved or help out?
By supporting our project and the Macedon Ranges Wildlife Network, we are volunteers, as we said.
Yes.
We are the first responders.
Yep.
We do post a lot of information about how to be aware of wildlife,
Yep.
how to reduce wildlife road strike, what to do if you do accidentally hit an animal, and how to implement wildlife safe fencing and gardens to support wildlife in the area.
Thank you so much to all of the volunteers for their help, and it's just incredible. You're up all hours of the day helping the community, so we really appreciate it. And it really is a reasonable ask in our advocacy prospectus, so I really encourage you to check it out. And thank you so much to all the work that the network does. I definitely think support from the community as much as possible is important outside even the advocacy prospectus. And check it out online, Macedon Ranges Shire Council's website, advocacy prospectus. And thanks so much again for joining us.
Thank you.